AFen 22-inch screen intelligent lifting vending machine. Source manufacturers, can be customized in large quantities, and provide ODM/OEM services. Equipped with 6 layers and 9 slots in each layer. Spiral, conveyor belt, and direct push channels are optional. Transparent anti-theft board. 22-inch touch screen. Payment can be customized. Pickup port anti-theft design. Touch screen purchase. Equipped with a lifting system, which makes dispense goods more stable and safer. What kind of vending machine do you want to know? Do you like this kind of vending machine? Welcome to inquire.